Alright, so we're going to go through another complex problem step by step. Alright, step number 1, if you remember on the previous slide, was to rearrange everything so the x's and the y's are together and the constant is on the other side. Every problem is going to be different, guys. It's not going to be the same. So if I look here, my x's always go first. Always, always, always. So I'm pretty much just switching these two. And what I usually do is I usually leave a space because we're about to put something there. Plus. But if you guys notice, I have to move this over here. If you move a letter, or if you move anything across the equal sign, it changes sign. So that's why this negative y squared is going to become a positive y squared. This negative 2y is going to stay the same. And the 64 is already over there. We want it over there. So I want x's first, I want y second, I want my constant with no variable on the right side. If it was on the left side, for example, if I put it over here, we would have to change the sign. So all I do is move numbers around, which I can completely do. Over here, so I'm going to take 8 divided by 2, I'm going to square it. So I get 4 squared, I get 16. So I'm going to put 16 right here, plus. Remember, if I add 16 over here, I must add 16 over here. Over here, I got 2 divided by 2 squared equals 1 squared equals plus 1 plus 1. So there we go. Now I'm going to factor this as x plus 4 quantity squared plus y minus 1 quantity squared equals, now let's take 64 plus 16 plus 1 also equals 81. There you go. So once again, I got the plus 4 because it's plus right here, so it has to be plus here, and half of 8 is 4, and once again, if that's 4, that's 4. Once again, this is negative 2, so that's why it's a negative 1 right here, and half of 2 is 1. And if I add all these together, I get 81. So there's my answer. And if you want to tell me more, center is at negative 4 of 1, my radius is at 9.